I have the activity with written expression that helps students to develop proper use of punctuation. So, for example, they're going to cut out a large paper of different punctuation marks, for example. So they have like a comma, question mark, exclamation point, things like that. And they're going to put that construction paper either on their backs or their fronts, and they're going to be pinned to them. And after reviewing the rules of punctuation usage, we will then look at a unpunctuated story such as this one right here for an example. And they're going to have to decide on what the appropriate punctuation would be. And if they know it, they should be able to call that out and say what is needed in the story. So, for example, Dad and I went to buy a Christmas tree. So either the student probably wearing the exclamation point or maybe like a period would then call that out because they would probably fit well in that, and then they would continue on to practice. So I think this is a fun way to get them involved, get them thinking about different punctuation and how it's supposed to be used.